Animal quiz. I live in a bowl. I swim round and round. I am orange. What am I? C. I am a goldfish. I am yellow and brown. I eat leaves. I have a very, very long neck. What am I? E. I am a giraffe. I have 2 legs. I say cluck, cluck. I lay eggs. What am I? D. I am a chicken. I have a fin on my back. I have sharp teeth. I am dangerous. What am I? I am a shark. E. I lie on the sand. I look like a star. I have 5 arms. What am I? A. I am a starfish. I am dark green. I have sharp teeth. I am dangerous. What am I? D. I am a crocodile. I am a type of bear. I eat bamboo. I am black and white. What am I? C. I am a panda. I can fly. I have colorful wings. I drink nectar from flowers. What am I? B. I am a butterfly. Thanks for watching. Bye.